blessed morning, friends and white all over the world. Please welcome back to my channel, Beauty Lupis. Please come and watch my video. Today's videos, guys, is about this belated birthday gift, guys, from Mylene. Please come and watch my video, guys. Nag-holiday siya ngayon, kaya ito, guys, nagdala siya ng flowers para sa akin. Kasi ngayon lang siya nag-birthday, ay nag-holiday, guys. Kaya, ito ngayon ang dinala niya para sa aking kaarawan. Ang aking regalo na fresh flowers from Mylene. Ayan, guys, oh. 12 pieces, guys, ang tulip na ito na galing kay Mylene. Ayan, guys. Ang bango-bango, guys. Ang bango-bango. Ayan. Medyo sumikip ang lalagyan ng bulaklak ko, guys, kasi dahil sa regalo na binigay din na itong kuwan na ito, malaking ref na ito, guys. Yung maliit na ref ko, pinadala ko kasi, guys, inimpake ko. Yan. Sige lang. Tapos ito rin, guys, ang birthday ko gift din. Yan. Ang galing sa ating never na super generous. Kaya lang umalis na sila. Ay, nagsisialisan na, guys, ang mga people. Mga beautiful people. Mga generous sa surroundings ko, guys. Ay, naku, nag-aalisan na. Sana may dadating pa. Ito naman ang ating walang kamatayang tulips from Mrs. Wood. Yan, guys. Yan. Yan, guys. Yan. Ang ganda-ganda, guys. Ayan. Ito. Ayan, guys. 12 pieces yan. Andun din ating mga gitara, guys. Ayan. Pinagpatong ko na lang doon, guys. Kasi maliit na ang patungan ng mga flowers ko. Ito rin, guys, oh. Ito yung, ano ba, water plants. Ayan, water plants, guys. Tapos yung orchids ko, pinutulan ko na siya, guys. Ayan. Binubuhay ko sila. Ayan, guys. Ang bango-bango, nangangalimuyak, guys. Ayan. This is my belated birthday gift from Mylene. Ayan, guys. 12 pieces of tulips. Ayan, guys. Iniingatan ko kasi nabali yung isang petals niya, guys. Ibaba mo lang doon. Baba mo lang yung pula niya. Ayan. Tapos, antayin mo siya. Yan. Antayin mo siya ng 5 minutes. Okay. Please watch my video, guys. Watch and listen because mayroon pang 2 songs na kasama nito, guys. Ayan. May 2 songs pa, guys. Please watch and listen my video, guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. My belated birthday gift. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Hi.
Hi. Oh my God. Ah. Ooh. Wait. So pa, guys, please wait. Ang tagal naman. Kay Tani tayo, guys. Apartment number 9. Just follow. They say away to this lonely world of mine. You'll find me waiting here in apartment number 9. That too very long ago. You walk away from me, and I decided to be free. Loneliness surrounds me. Without your arms around me, and the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. I keep within in this lonely road, just in case you change your mind. You'll find me waiting here in apartment number 9. Loneliness surrounds me. Without your arms around me, and if the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. No, the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. One more please. Thank you. Last song, guys. We were waltzing together to a dreamy melody when they called out change partners, and you walked away from me. Now my arms feel so empty as I gaze around the floor, and I'll keep on changing partners till I hold you once more. So we dance for one moment, and too soon we had to part. In that wonderful moment, something happened to my heart. So I'll keep changing partners till you're in my arms, and then, oh my darling, I will never change partners again. So we dance for one moment, and too soon we had to part. In that wonderful moment, something happened to my heart. So I'll keep changing partners till you're in my arms, and then, oh my darling, I will never change partners
you guys. Thank you. God bless.